Hello everybody, welcome. It's our Shumatt live streaming. I'm Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Our company specializes in commercial diesel parts, such as our product include the injector, the valve assembly, the pumps, the repair kit, a CV valve, etc. And today we're going to introduce you one of our control valve, this one. And now let's see more details. Firstly, it's the outside packages. It's the blue VCI and T-valve spec. Here, this is the product SKU. The product is F00VC45200. And by the way, for the logo labeled packages, etc., we can support customized service. And now I will open it. For the inside, as you can see, is this kind of long transparent bottle. It's very hard and it can be better protect the valve assembly, avoid some damages during the transportation. Inside is the oil paper to wrap it up. That's the whole side of the valve assembly. Actually, we not only selling the whole side, we also sell the separate parts like the valve cap or the valve rod. That's the valve cap. For the product, we have the quality guaranteed, 6 months warranty time. In this period, any of the customers, if you are not satisfied with the quality, we can return or exchange it for you. And also we have the 3 tips for our viewers. The first tip is if you want to clean the valve assembly, you'd better to clean it with the oil, don't clean it with the water. The second tip is make sure the valve cap in the right position. The third tip is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly off the injector body. Okay, that's all. That's all the introduction of the today's control valve. Actually, we also have the other product. Any other product if you're interested in, please feel free to contact us. At last, remember follow us at YouTube or the Facebook account. And feel free to contact us. Thank you. Let's see you next time. Thank you for staying with me. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.